Affiliate commissions are usually built around a simple idea. A business pays a partner for sending a buyer, a lead, or a specific action. The structure behind that payment can vary widely depending on the product, the industry, and the strategy of the company. In the most common model, the commission is a percentage of the sale. If an affiliate sends a customer who buys a product for $100 and the commission rate is 10%, the affiliate earns $10. This model is common in retail, software subscriptions, and digital products because it scales naturally with revenue. Another structure is a fixed payment per sale. Instead of a percentage, the affiliate receives a set amount for every completed purchase. This is often used when the company wants predictable costs or when the product price does not vary much. A flat commission can also be easier for affiliates to understand because the reward is clear in advance. Some programs pay for leads rather than sales. In that case, the affiliate earns money when a visitor fills out a form, signs up for a trial, or requests more information. Lead-based commissions are popular in finance, education, insurance, and services where the real sale may happen later and involve a longer decision process. There are also action-based structures. An affiliate may be paid only when the referred user completes a specific event, such as installing an app, making a deposit, or subscribing to a plan. This gives the business more control over what counts as a valuable referral. Commission rates are often adjusted by performance. New affiliates may start with a lower rate, while high-performing partners receive higher tiers. Some programs use volume bonuses, where the commission increases after a certain number of conversions. Others offer lifetime commissions, meaning the affiliate continues to earn from repeat purchases made by the same customer. The structure can also include attribution rules. These rules decide which affiliate gets credit when more than one partner influenced the buyer. A common method is last-click attribution, where the final referral before the sale receives the commission. Other programs use first-click, multi-touch, or time-based models to distribute credit more broadly. Payment terms matter as much as the rate. Some companies pay monthly, while others wait until the refund period ends to avoid paying commissions on canceled sales. Minimum payout thresholds are also common, so affiliates must reach a certain balance before receiving payment. In practice, affiliate commissions are designed to balance fairness, motivation, and profitability. A simple structure may attract more partners, while a more detailed one can reward quality traffic and long-term value. The best model depends on how the business defines success and what behavior it wants affiliates to produce.